These grids can save lives. A flame protection grid, also called flame arrestor, prevents flames and sparks from breaking through in pipes and tanks and protects against explosions. The flame arrestor consists of spiral coiled corrugated iron strips. Many slits, so one large surface that can absorb a lot of thermal energy. We have tested this with a welding torch. When a flame hits this large surface, it gives off so much warmth that the temperature drops rapidly and the flame goes out. And as we can see, the flame does not penetrate and so can also not get into the tank. These flame arrestors are installed by Krampitz tanks and tank containers for highly flammable fluids as standard on all pipe connections. This applies to the tank filler neck, the suction lines, also the ventilation and vapor recovery pipes. This guarantees that no explosion can occur over the pipe connections. This is what makes Krampitz tank systems and filling stations so safe. Effective explosion protection. Krampitz tank system. Cubically good.